Yeah, welcome back to Akapo TV, the sports channel, the winning channel. Today, I'm here to give you tips and tricks that can help you to win first half correct scores, and that will also help you to predict first half draw. And predicting the first half draw is one of the most valuable predictions, and it sometimes contains bigger odds. So if you know how to go about it, you will make money with the first half draw predictions. So without wasting much time, let me um, go to choose the team here, and then let me show you how you can go about it. And make sure to subscribe to this channel and like this video for me. Please like the video for me because I need a like. The more you like, the more YouTube also recommend our videos to new viewers. Please help us as I'm helping you to also make money in sports betting. So let me choose a team. This is Bensley and Blackpool, and let me show you. Please make sure to watch the video to the end because it is detailed statistically. I'm going to show you everything. Right, so I'm going to show you everything from here. So as it opens like this, what the first thing you have to do is just check the strength of the teams, which is the home odds and away odds. You see that the home odd is 3.10 and away is 2.3. So let's go to the stats. So what you have to do is to go to their stats. Yeah, check the stats, and let me show you something here. We're gonna check the stats. Alright, so when we check the stats like this, you can see the form of both teams. You can see that Bensley has a form of 13% and the away to has a form of 33%. Right? So with this form, who do you think who will score? And you can even check their last 5 matches. You can see that Bensley lost all their 5 matches, and Blackpool won one of the 5 games. And checking their previous meetings, Bensley has won 15 times and Blackpool has won 9. And now Bensley don't have any form, and that of this one and Blackpool too, they don't have any form. And checking their last 5 meetings, you can see that they normally scores, yeah. But we are going to predict the first half. So from here, after checking the strength, that's the form of both teams, what you have to do is to go to head to head. Yeah, head to head new. So you want to click on head to head new, and let me show you how we're going to use that one too. We're going to go about it there. Alright, yeah, you can check this one. You can see that Bensley, their winning percentage is 30% and draw percentage is 29%, and Blackpool has 41% win rate. And with this one, before a team can score more goals when they must exceed 50%. So for this one, the chances for it to play full-time draw is very high. It's very high, but the number of times both teams have won, it doesn't matter, but the form matter most. So we want to use the statistics to predict the first half draw, the first half. So when you check Barnsley, when you check them, Barnsley, you can see that, yeah, check this one down here. Barnsley, their last matches, you can check the first half. Let me show you this one. When you check this side, you can just get it. Yeah, this side. You can get the first half win. You see, the first half win is 14%. Just 14. When they are playing at home, it's 14% when they are playing at home, and when they are playing at away, it's just 4%. And the total comprised of 18% win. So, but the home that we are using, so the home when they are playing at home is just 14%. Okay, it's just 14% to win. And let's go to this one too. Let's go to Blackpool. Yeah, let's check that of Blackpool. Okay, you can also see as you can get Blackpool here. When Blackpool is playing away, they have 7% win, and when they are playing at home, they have 17% win. Okay, so with this one, we can say that the first half is going to be draw. When they are playing at away, they don't score. They don't score. That's 7%, and home to 14%. And now the home don't have form, but away has form. Okay, so with this one, if you go draw for first half, probably we're gonna win. And it doesn't end here. The next thing is, after you knowing that both teams don't score when they are playing at home, when this one is playing at home, they don't score. When this one is playing at away, they don't score more. They don't even score. That 7%, where is 7%, doesn't even make sense. They don't even score. So with that one, we can now come to our full statistics. Yeah, let's go to the full statistics. So before you go to our full statistics, let's check the table. Check the table first. So you have to move to the table. Yeah, it takes a lot of time to predict correct score or draw, because it is money that you're going to spend here. So you need to take your time and make sure to watch this video to the end, because it takes a lot. It entails a lot. Yeah. Alright, you can see checking both teams. You see that Blackpool is having 57 points and 16th position, and Barnsley is on the last position. Yeah, Barnsley is on the last position. So for this one, if I am you going to predict, I will go first half draw and full time win for Blackpool. That's what I will go with it. Yeah, that's what I'll go. But this one doesn't count a lot. Let's go to our full predictions here, and let me show you here how we are going to use the previous one to select our draw matches. So now that's when you come here, you can just scroll down. What you're going to do is you just scroll down to just scroll down just scroll down to first half. First half. You can see that the first half draw is 2.15, right? 2.15. So the chances of them to win, to play draw, is very high. That's 2.15. And check the way. It's almost 3 hours. That is just 3 hours. And this one, the home is 4 hours straight. 7.5 is approximately 4 hours, and away is 3 hours. So the first half may probably be draw. So when we check the first half over, this one doesn't matter. Yeah, this one sometimes, and it varies. It varies. The first half over 0.5, 1.43, and under 2.75. But this one doesn't count because Betway is very tricky. So what you have to do is calm down and check the first half home team over. Can you see from here? You can see from here, like the first half home team over. You see, it is 2.30, and the away team is exactly 2 hours. Look at the under. The under is 1.56. So the high chances for this one to come is high, and the high chances for under to come to is high. So from here, you are now gathering confidence to see that whether the first half draw will appear or not. So from here, you go to first half exact scores or exact goals. Then after checking the exact goals, you could see that 0 goal. You could see there's 0 goal. Yeah, you could see that there's 0 goal. The 0 goal here, this one is 2.90, and this one too is 2.65. Okay, and if you still doubt, this one from 2.90 to 2.60, it is just 50-50 whether they will score or not. Yeah, so the Sportybet, they doubt, but the one that will help you to get the full-time one is the first half correct scores. Yes, you have already checked the statistics that both teams don't score in the first half. Yeah, when they are playing at home, when they are playing home, away, they don't score. So you can just see the correct score. So if you had choose one goal, let's check. You see? So if you choose 1-0 here, okay, that's 1-0 for away. away to score 1-0. That's the first half exact scores. That's exact goals. Yeah, exact goals 1-0. Okay, 1-0. And then when you come to the exact scores, if one goal to happen is 2.65 and 0 goal 2.10, and 0-0 is 2.60, right? 2.60. Check one goal. So if away is to score one goal, 5 odd. If home to score one goal, 5 odd. If away is to score one goal, 4 odd. You see how it is very tricky. You can see that this thing is very tricky. So if I will you, I'll just go 0-0, because from the previous menu it shows that both teams don't score when they play at home, when this one playing at home and this one playing away. But if I go the full time, I'll go it home, first half draw and second half to be away. So this one we are predicting first half 0-0. Yeah, that's 0-0 for first half. Let me choose another team and let's go through. Alright, we choose Fulham and then Nottingham Forest. Fulham and Nottingham Forest. We can see the strength of the both teams, which is 47-80%. Right, so without wasting much time, let's just go straight to the head-to-head the head-to-head new one. Let me show you something. And let's check whether both teams, which one scores most in the first half. You see that even the strength of Nottingham Forest is 80%, but that of Fulham is 47%, and it is green. That means Fulham may win this match. Market today is 26. That's 26. Fulham may win this match, and the number of times they meet is they have met 9 plus 4, 13 plus 17. Fulham have won 9 times. And when you check the win probability, Fulham has 47, and then that of Nottingham Forest has 26%. So if you just use the form to predict, my brother or my sister, this game you're gonna lose. But if I am you, I'll just go Fulham to win or draw. Yeah, so they use this tricks to give you the odd. Okay, they use this trick to give you the odd, and then we can just see that the over 1.5 here is going to win. And then let's check. Okay, the overall statistics, here, that's for Fulham. When Fulham is playing at home, they have 29% scores. Yeah, check it. When Fulham is playing at home, that's halftime win. Halftime win, they have 29%, and that of Nottingham Forest have 15%. So when you combine them, the away and home, they have 42% halftime win, and Fulham has 57% halftime win. Right? So for this one, I will go Fulham to win the first half. Yeah, Fulham will win in the first half. Okay, that is 29% and 15%. Okay, 29% against 15%, and then that's the first half. So Fulham may win. Fulham may win in the first half. Yeah, Fulham may win in the first half. Okay, and you can go a double chance. That's the first half. Fulham win or draw. Fulham to win the first half or draw, because they have 29% to win in the first half. Okay, so with this, let's go to our full-time predictions and let's use the overs and unders. So you can even check it. You can even see it from here that the Fulham has a strong chances to win. So let's just go to the overs. Okay, you can see that the home or draw is very high chances. They have very high chance here. Please, if you haven't subscribed, do that by subscribing and like the video for me, please. And let's just go to the first half. Okay, the first half. So you can see the first half over. Yes, is there will be one goal in the first half. Yeah, there will be a goal in the first half. Check it. Let me check it for you. You see, anytime the odd is like this, 1.39, from 1.27 to to 1.39. They may be a goal in the first half. So guess who is going to score? So this one, you cannot go with first half draw. Yes, you can go first half one goal. Okay, so let me go down and show you how you can go about this one. This is educational platform. Yeah, you are learning, so take your time to learn everything. Okay, take your time to learn. And look at here. You see that it's very tricky. Very, very, very tricky. The over for home, the over for home is very almost the same. So they doubt this one. They doubt whether they will score in the first half or not. But the first half is having a chance of 1.84. First half is having a chance, and that of away will not score. If someone will score, it will be home that will score in the first half. It will be Fulham. So let's check the exact goals. Okay, yes. But when you come to the exact goals, you can see that it is something. The zero goal is three odds. The zero goal is 3 odd. So with the 0 goal and 1 goal is 2.70. That means there may be 1 goal. Yeah, there will be a goal in this match. There will be a goal in the first half. But you can also see that the first half correct scores is 0-0. You see that it's very tricky. The tricky comes, and you can see the exact goal to is 2.70, the 1 goal, and this one. So which has the probability to win, the chances to win? That's 1. All right, so the 1 have a higher chances of winning, and because of the 0-0, the 0-0 comes in from here, the away team overs. Yeah, the first half away team over, and then home team over. So that's why they took it 0-0. They also took it 0-0 here. Okay, this one, the first half home team over and away, because they know that it is 50-50. So with this one, you can go it 1-0 for home and 0-0. One will win 1-0 for home or 0 in the first half. So when I go it 0-0 in the first half and 1-0 for home, you see, and I divide my money in stake. If one win, I make a lot of money. If God help me, and then the Fulham scores in the first half, I make huge money. If they play the 0-0, I also make huge money. Or you can just come and then select these two, which is the first half, the 1-0 and 0-0. But I will go 1-0 because Fulham may win in the first half 1-0. The exact goals may be 1-0 in the first half. So this is how to predict the first half draws or the first half predictions. So if you haven't subscribed, do that. If you want to learn something further, just comment down below and say I want to learn more. I want to learn further. I'll give you my contact to contact me. Or I will take you to Telegram. Then we discuss more there. Thank you for watching.